everyone. Today we're taking a journey through one of humanity's most remarkable achievements, the art and science of healing. Imagine a time when diseases were mysterious forces, often met with superstition and desperate rituals. Over the centuries, however, our understanding of the human body has transformed dramatically, evolving from ancient remedies and alchemical experiments into the sophisticated field of modern medicine and pharmacology we know today. In this episode, we're exploring the alchemy of healing, a captivating blend of science, history, and innovation that continues to shape our world. Picture this. Thousands of years ago, people looked at nature and saw magic in the herbs and minerals that grew around them. Ancient healers, with their intuitive grasp of the natural world, experimented with various plants, roots, and substances, seeking remedies for illnesses that threatened their communities. Their work, though steeped in mysticism, laid the groundwork for the systematic study of medicine. In a way, it was an early form of alchemy, a quest to transform ordinary substances into something extraordinary, to unlock the hidden powers of nature and use them to restore health. Fast forward to the Middle Ages and the Renaissance, and alchemy becomes even more elaborate. Alchemists were driven by the dream of transmuting base metals into gold, but equally, they sought the elixir of life, a substance that could cure all ailments and grant immortality. While their ambitions may seem far-fetched today, these early experiments were crucial. They pushed forward our understanding of chemistry, laying the foundations for the laboratory methods and scientific rigor that would come later. Even though many alchemists never achieved their lofty goals, they inadvertently discovered important principles that continue to influence modern pharmacology. In modern times, medicine and pharmacology have become highly sophisticated sciences built on rigorous experimentation, detailed understanding of biochemistry, and advanced technologies. Today, we understand that our bodies are intricate machines with countless systems working in concert. When something goes wrong, it's not due to the whims of mysterious forces, but rather to specific biochemical imbalances or genetic predispositions. This scientific insight has allowed us to develop targeted therapies that can cure diseases, alleviate pain, and even extend life. Modern pharmacology is the science of how drugs work, and it's a field that has grown exponentially over the last century. It involves discovering, developing, and testing new compounds to see how they interact with our biological systems. Researchers today use cutting-edge techniques, from high-throughput screening, which tests thousands of compounds in a short time, to computational modeling that predicts how molecules might interact with specific proteins in our bodies. This blend of empirical research and technology-driven innovation is the engine behind many of the life-saving drugs we rely on today. Take, for example, the discovery of penicillin by Alexander Fleming in 1928. This accidental breakthrough revolutionized medicine by providing the first true antibiotic, a drug that could combat bacterial infections that were once deadly. The discovery not only saved millions of lives, but also sparked an era of antibiotic research and development that continues to evolve. Over the decades, pharmaceutical scientists have built on these early discoveries, synthesizing new antibiotics, antivirals, and other medications that target diseases with unprecedented precision. But the story of medicine isn't just about laboratory breakthroughs. It's also about understanding how our bodies work. Modern medicine is a deeply interdisciplinary field, drawing on insights from genetics, molecular biology, and even physics to understand disease mechanisms. Researchers have unraveled the intricate pathways that govern cell growth, immune responses, and neural signaling. This knowledge has led to therapies that can, for instance, target cancer cells without harming healthy tissue or modulate the immune system to fight autoimmune disorders. In many ways, modern pharmacology has become the art of fine-tuning the body's internal machinery, restoring balance when things go awry. One of the most fascinating aspects of modern pharmacology is its personalized approach. We now know that individuals can respond differently to the same medication due to genetic variations. This understanding has given rise to the field of pharmacogenomics, where doctors can tailor treatments based on a patient's genetic profile. It's a move away from the one-size-fits-all approach of the past, towards treatments that are as unique as the patients themselves. Imagine a world where your medication is customized to your DNA, maximizing its effectiveness while minimizing side effects. This is the promise of personalized medicine. Of course, with all these advancements come challenges and ethical questions. The rapid pace of innovation in medicine and pharmacology means that new treatments often raise concerns about safety, accessibility, and the potential for misuse. For instance, while gene therapies and biologics hold incredible promise for curing previously untreatable diseases, they also bring up questions about cost, long-term effects, and even the ethics of altering the human genome. Navigating these challenges requires a delicate balance between scientific progress and ethical responsibility. It's also worth noting that, while modern medicine has made incredible strides, it is built on a foundation that dates back to those ancient alchemists and healers. Their early experiments, though crude by today's standards, were driven by a desire to understand and harness the natural world for healing. Their legacy is a reminder that the pursuit of knowledge, no matter how mysterious or difficult, has always been a part of the human spirit. Another area where modern medicine shines is in its collaborative nature. Today, research and development in pharmacology are global endeavors. Scientists from all over the world share data, collaborate on clinical trials, and work together to tackle diseases that affect humanity as a whole. This international cooperation is a far cry from the isolated efforts of early alchemists, and it underscores the progress we've made in understanding the complex nature of health and disease. At the heart of it all is the remarkable journey of discovery, from the ancient art of alchemy to the high-tech laboratories of today. Medicine has evolved from mystical rituals into a rigorous science that relies on evidence, experimentation, and innovation. And while we may never fully replicate the magic our ancestors imagined, we have certainly harnessed the power of nature in ways that continue to amaze us. In many respects, the story of modern medicine is a testament to human ingenuity and resilience. It shows how we've taken the raw materials of nature, herbs, minerals, and eventually synthetic compounds, and turned them into potent tools for healing. This transformation isn't just scientific, it's deeply human, reflecting our endless drive to alleviate suffering and push the boundaries of what's possible. As we look to the future, the fields of medicine and pharmacology promise even more exciting developments. Advances in biotechnology, nanotechnology, and artificial intelligence are poised to revolutionize how we diagnose and treat diseases. Imagine tiny robots that can repair damaged cells from the inside, or AI systems that can predict the best treatment for a patient based on millions of data points. These innovations are not just dreams. They're on the horizon, and they hold the potential to redefine the very nature of healing. In wrapping up our exploration of the alchemy of healing, it's clear that modern medicine is much more than just a collection of drugs and devices. It's a living, evolving field that embodies the spirit of discovery and the enduring quest to understand the human body. From the ancient practitioners who first experimented with herbs to the scientists pushing the limits of gene editing and personalized medicine, every step in this journey has been about transforming pain into hope, illness into recovery, and mystery into understanding. Thanks for joining me on this deep dive into the science of medicine and pharmacology. I hope you've come away with a greater appreciation for the incredible innovations that make modern healing possible. Until next time, keep questioning, stay curious, and remember that every breakthrough in medicine is a step toward a healthier, brighter future for us all.